Yes. Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good at your homes. Okay? And be at your home and be healthy and be safe. All of you know that nowadays the school are closed because of COVID-19. However, our learning process must be go on. We can't stop our learning process. So it is very necessary to start with our syllabus, and today we will begin with 3rd standard English first lesson. 3rd standards English first lesson, page number 7. Okay children, all of you I hope got new books, and what you have to do, you have to open your new book and open page number 7. Then we will start with a new lesson. The lesson is red sloppity lips. Red sloppity lips. The lesson name is red sloppity lips. All of you open your books and look at the lesson, page number 7. See here, the pictures are given in your books. 2 pictures are there. Okay, just see these pictures and explain what you feel about your pictures, about these pictures to your parents. Okay, then after when you meet your teachers, you can share about these pictures with them also. Okay, now turn the page. In page number 8, the lesson is here. Okay, the page number 8 lesson is here. I will read the lesson, this page. I will read the lesson first, this page, then I will read paragraph by paragraph, and then I will explain. Just once I will read here. Victor, a young boy, was riding his bike along old road and lost his way. He stopped and looked around to find his way back. How he wished he had brought a friend along. Just then it began to rain. He pulled his jacket up over his head to help keep the rain away. But it continued to rain heavily and he became wet. His body became numb in the cold rain. Then it began to thunder, so he knew that he must find shelter quickly. He saw a dingy, big red house and ran on to the porch. Then wind began to howl and blew so hard that drove the rain onto the porch, soaking Victor even more. The wind had blown upon the house door, so he went inside to get out of the rain. The house was very large, and though it was abandoned, dirty and full of cobwebs, it kept Victor dry. A big gust of wind blew in the door and then back out again, slamming the door shut. Victor tried to open the door, but the rain had caused the door to swell and he could not open it. Just then he heard a voice call out, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers?" Next to the door was a large, green, hairy monster with huge red lips, pointed fangs and gangly legs and arms with very long green fingernails. Victor panicked and ran down the hall. The monster followed. Okay children, see, look at here. See, the pictures are given here. When you saw these pictures, something you can hint about what is the lesson is about. Okay, here the name is mentioned as monster. Monster means ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ರಾಕ್ಷಸಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರಿ. ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡ್ದಿರೋದು. ಅದ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ರಾಕ್ಷಸಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್. ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ Victor, a boy and a monster. Okay, just first paragraph. Victor, a young boy, was riding his bike along an old road and lost his way. He stopped and looked around to find his way back. How he wished he had brought a friend along. Just then it began to rain. He pulled his jacket up over his head to help keep the rain away, but it continued to rain heavily and he became wet. His body became numb in the cold rain. Then it began to thunder, so he knew that he must find shelter quickly. Yes. What had happened? Victor is a small boy, maybe as your age. Okay. What is height? He had a bike and he is riding on his bicycle. One day he gone so long that he lost his way back to come to the home. Then he thought like that, oh my God, I must not come alone. I must bring a friend with me. At least he will with me to find the way, like that he is thinking. In this suddenly it started raining and he pulled up his jacket like this to get away from the rain, but the rain was so heavy that he completely wet in the rain. In this suddenly the thunder started. Thunder means gudugu siddu ella bardete na mali barut munde, that is a thunder. The thunder started. Then he come to know that I must take a shelter, that roof, to keep away with this thunder and the rain. So he was searching for the shelter somewhere. See what happened next. He saw a dingy, big red house and ran onto the porch. The wind began to howl and blew so hard that it drew the rain onto the porch, soaking Victor even more. The wind had blown upon the house door, so he went inside to get out of the rain. The house was very large, though it was abandoned, dirty and full of cobwebs. It kept Victor dry. Yes. When the Victor was searching for a shelter to keep away from the rain, he saw a big dingy house. Dingy house means dirty. The house is painted with a red color, so the house is not clean. But however, the Victor have to take shelter, no? For that he ran to the porch. Porch and the sun katti with the steps to get enter in the house. Maniyolage hovaka sun katti ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟ್ಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆ, like that it is porch. The Victor gone there and stand on the porch. ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಆಮೇಲೆ then what had happened? Started raining again very heavily, and the rain is so hard that the wind is also coming very fast inside the porch. ಮಳಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕತ್ತು, ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆನ ಬಂದ್ ಬಿಡಾಕತ್ತು. ಅದು ಇವನ್ ಒಳಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ರೂಫ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ವಿಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವೆಟ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಕಿಂಗ್. ಅಪ್ಪ ನೀರ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಿ ವಿಶ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇನ್ ಸಡನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ದ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಡೋರ್. ಜೋರ್ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ತಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಮನಿದು. ದೆನ್ ದ ವಿಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್. ವಿಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಬಾಗಿಲು ತಕೊಂಡ್ಕೂಲೆ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಹೋದ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್. It was abandoned. Abandoned means it's very old one and not been used for a long time, and no one is there in the house. And it was full of cobwebs in the house. Cobweb means jarbudu. Jarbudu iಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಮನೆಗಳಾಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ತಿರೋದು. That is the cobwebs. And it was dirty. The house is not clean at all. Okay. However, the Victor enter in the house. A big gust of wind blew in the door and then back out again, slamming the door shut. Victor tried to open the door, but the rain had caused the door to swell and he could not open it. Just then he heard a voice call out, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Yes, the victor thought that, however, he can keep dry himself, but sudden up in this, again the strong wind came inside the house and it gone very fast outside of the house. Okay, in this sudden, the door closed itself. Now, the victor get something scared, okay, and he tried to open the door heavily, but it will not open because in the rain, the door get swell ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನೀರು ಬಿದ್ದು ನೆನೆದ ಅದು ಬಾತಂಗ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಡನ್ ಹಿ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಅ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಔಟ್. ಅವ್ನಿಗೇನು ಯಾರೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದಂಗ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳ್ತು. ಹಿ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಅ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಡು ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ರೆಡ್ ಸ್ಲಾಪಿಟಿ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈ long green fingers? And when the victor heard this sound, no, just you think how he felt. Correct, no? When he was alone, he wet in the rain, he lost his way, and he enter in the old house. Now again, something is there in that house which make Victor to scare more even. Okay, now see what will happen next. Then the Victor was very next to the door was a large green hairy monster with huge red lips, pointed fangs and gangly legs, arms with very long green fingernails. Victor panicked and ran down the hall. The monster followed. Okay, what had happened? When the Victor heard that voice, do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? Next to the door means next up to the door. He was up in the stairs. The Victor was up in the stairs. Okay, and next to the door he saw a big monster. The big monster. Okay, he saw a big monster with a huge red lips. How he was? Huge red lips. Sloppy means that only. On ಬಾಯಿ on lips ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತಂತ ದಿಪ್ಪಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್, ದಿಪ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿತ್ತಂತ. ಸೊಂಡಿ ಬಂದವಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಲಾಪಿಟಿ. ಹಂಗ ದಟ್ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಇದ್ನವ, ಅವನು ಸ್ಲಾಪಿಟಿ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ದೆನ್ he had a fangs. Fangs means kari hallu. Here that all the monsters going to have that kind of teeth, no? ಚೂಪಾದ ಹಳ್ಳಿರ್ತಾವಳೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ. That fangs he had, and it had, and that he was very gangly. Gangly means sudden thub 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 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ he was coming towards the Victor. He has a very long arms and the legs with long green fingers. Okay, Victor panicked when he saw the monster and he ran down from the hall and he searching to get away from this monster. Okay, panic means the Victor get panicked. Panicked means he scared a lot. When he saw the monster, he become very afraid and he panicked a lot. Okay, today children, this much I finished half of a lesson today, and tomorrow I will continue in the next video. What you have to do, you have to bring 4-line book for your English notes book. Okay, in that you have to write the given meanings in this page. The page number 8, the new meanings are there that you have to write. If you are getting any difficult words in the lesson also, just you read it once. If you getting any difficulty words, that also you can find out the meanings in dictionary. That also you can write in the notes book. Okay children, today this much only. We will meet in next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.